All right, today I have a 2017 Kia Optima, and I'm going to go over the heating and cooling controls in this vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thanks a lot. All right, first thing we're going to start off from the left-hand side. All right, we're going to start off with something you all know too well, is the off button. All right, so it's currently on. I'm going to go and press this. Pressing the off feature turns the system off, of course. All right, so let's move forward. All right, we're past that. There is the temperature control. As you can see, I can turn this all the way to the right for heat, turn to the left for cold. All right, and then there's the auto feature. If I press this, it automatically turns on. All right, and it adjusts everything. All right, so turn it back off. Just simply press the off button to turn the auto off. All right, we're gonna move to the right. Look right here. You see these fans right here? This determines the fan speed. The smaller fan slows the speed, and the bigger fan makes the speed up. The fan speed up faster, okay? Blow the air at you faster. Next, we have the mode, all right? So this right here is the mode button. When I press this, it directs where the air is blowing, okay? So I'm pressing this, and if you look up on this panel right here, it shows where the air is blowing. Right here is the face, right there's the feet, right there's the feet, the windshield and feet, and the face and feet. All right, so you have that. All right, also worth noting is the temperature right here. You can control the temperature. Remember I was like talking right here? Control the temperature by turning that knob left or right, and changes the temperature. Pretty cool. All right, next we're gonna go over to climate. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, press this. And it shows, when I press it, it comes up on the screen. It shows the climate of the vehicle. It says 80 degrees on both sides. The fan is on low, blowing at the face and feet. Pretty cool, all right? Next is temperature control for the passenger side, okay? I can turn this, and when I turn this, the sync button goes off, and the temperature changes for the passenger. If I wanted to be synced up for both sides, I'll just go back here, press this. It's synced up for both sides, right to 80 degrees. All right, the next is recirculation of the air. This right here recirculates the air within the vehicle. Press that, recirculates the air. Press it again to turn it off. And then there's the AC button. Make sure this is on if you want the air conditioner to be on while you have the fan blowing out cool air. All right, air conditioning. And then this right here is the rear defrost for the rear window. Press this, and it defrosts the rear window. All right, pretty cool feature. This right here is defrost for the windshield. Press that, and it defrosts the windshield. All right, and that's the heating and cooling system. Let me know if you have any questions.